let us talk about the next part in this module, which talks about how to set context for type of animals and sources. There are three major contexts. The first one starts with desi cows or indigenous cows or Indian descript cows. So now there are different kind of feeds and fodder available. The most common in India being maize and in some part soya. So if we look at the way milk is being sold in India, so it all started with traditional milkman coming on cycle or coming on motorcycle, delivering it at your home. Your location plays an important role for the development of your dairy farm. Its proximity to feed and fodder area,